Okay, in this video I'm not going to give you kind of a problem, but kind of explain in a little bit more depth one of the My Educator tasks, talking about the difference between the present value and the loan amount. So let's just take a look at this example. We've got a monthly payment of $200. You're paying 6% interest, and you're making 60 payments. So if you look at this loan amount, we're using the present value function, and we're supplying all of the parameters correctly here. Just take my word for it. This is calculating the present value. So it's dividing the monthly, the interest rate divided by 12, turning an annual rate into a monthly rate. 5-year loan, so that's 60 payments, and the monthly payment is $200. So that these are all in terms of month. Gives us a loan amount of $10,345.11. It's kind of weird to be given a monthly payment to determine the loan amount, but there we are. Now, if you just intuitively, if you multiply the $200 a month times 60 a month, that gives you $12,000. So why is there a difference in our number of payments versus a loan amount of $10,345.11? Well, the difference between those two numbers is the interest that we're paying over the life of the loan. Okay, so let's look at some formulas I have here. There is a function, the cumulative interest payment function. Looks similar to the IPMT function. So we're doing the rate, the number of periods, the present value, and the starting and ending periods. So between month 1 and month 60, how much are we going to pay? And I'm multiplying by -1 to make it a positive number, just because. We can also calculate this just by subtracting this $12,000 and then taking away $10,345. So we get the same number. So thinking about the relationship between payment, present value, future value, they're all related, and it's just really kind of switching around the terms, kind of just basically solving for the missing piece of information. But that's just a little bit of insight into what this loan amount in that task really means and why it differs from the total payments that you have to make on that loan.